I'm gonna fix the lower door hinge and the inner hinge plate on the A-pillar. The door wouldn't open further than this. And the screws that were in the hinge plate were rusted off. The door itself the metal was cracking and actually tore the hinge right out. Attempting to weld the hinge back on. It's gonna go like so. Boop. Got it tacked in. Almost fully welded the inner and outer. Started working on the inner hinge plate on the A-pillar. Cut an access hole, pulled the old one out, super rusty. Got the new one in, all lined up. Started getting it ready to weld here. Got it welded up. Started to grind on it, clean up the welds. Lower hinge back on, repaired. It was frozen when I got it. I couldn't even open the door. Then I got the door open and this lower piece was just ripped apart. So need to do a little more grinding, finish work, but re-welded that on there. My buddy Jeff helped me. And then the actual hinge plate inside there, this piece, the screws broke off. It's just all rusted, so I bought a new one and cut it open here and slid it in. It took a little work. Got it. And then got the door back on. Bam. Now I can sand it and do body work.